Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for leaving me and my daughters dying and starving without making any response. And I want you to know this is not the real meaning of humanity. Our humanity will take us to be together when we are sad, when we are tired. In this war, I reached my peak of sadness after losing my family. Our home destroyed, I lost my parents, my only brother, my wife and my 2 sons. And now I have my daughters with a lot of injuries and broken bones. They need me and I need you. So please press all those buttons on your screen and go to my profile and share me any small amount. Together we can make a difference. This is me, Mahmoud, from Pakistan.